What's up, Dan? Just logging into my phone here so I can check the text chat. Let's go Raiders! Hey, you got a nice trade offer, but sometimes you just gotta roll with what you got. That's what I usually do. We'll give everyone a couple minutes and we'll get ripping, guys. Thank you all for filling up so quick. Immaculate Collegiate. Again, we've been rolling that hot hand, getting some nice stuff every one we do. Hopefully we can keep rolling with it. Contenders 2016. Yeah, you screw yourself when I trade? Yeah. Yes, same here. I usually just roll with what I got, even if it seems bad. But yeah, Contenders 2016, 5 to 6 autos in that. Usually just 5, but sometimes you get 6. Lots of base in there as well. And we got our 60th anniversary Topps packs that we like. We got some prizes here. Nice Kemba Walker game used. Nelson Aguilar to 49 auto. And I got some hot packs that I sell at shows. Auto, a jersey, rookie, hot rookie, parallel, and another card in there. It's kind of little mystery packs I like to sell. They're pretty cool. And of course $10 break credit as well will be for the hitless. What's up, guys? How you doing tonight? Got a bunch of new prizes loaded into the giveaway. We'll have one more break that's eligible for that. Of course, this one was eligible. We'll probably have a break at the end of the week after my next show, or maybe in the middle of the week. I'll see what I got. I have a big load of boxes coming for the show. Maybe I'll make a little break out of that or something. We'll get going here in just a second. And we'll start it up with one anniversary pack. These are the freebie cards. Aguilar to 49 auto, Kemba Walker. And we got my hot pack there. One auto, one jersey, football. One hot rookie, one parallel, and one other card. William is here. William won the Cowboys. Congrats to him. See if we can pull some more boys. We've definitely been on a roll with them. Hopefully we can pull more. But we'll get it going here, guys. If you missed the live video, you can always check it out right after it's done on FB, in the FB group, or on YouTube a little bit later afterwards. Those take a little longer to upload, but the same video as the FB recording, obviously. Best of luck, everyone. Here's our 60th anniversary of Topps rookie cards. 35 player Hall of Fame checklist. We've hit more than half of it. Hoping to see some ones that we haven't hit. I mean, we've hit some nice ones, so, you know. Some duplicate Emmitt Smith autos wouldn't be bad, but, you know. We'll take Jerry Rice, too. Let's see what we have. Here's a guy we've had a few of. Gale Sayers. Gale Sayers. Nicole Hill grabbing this one, auto. This is our third one of him. He's a somewhat common one in this, but he's a great player. Nice Gale for the Bears. Going to Nicole. Nice first auto for our Topps 60th packs. We got 2 more of those, and we'll do our Contenders next, because we haven't tried these before. Let's see. I'm sure we've all been in Contenders breaks. Yeah, he's the most we've hit so far. We've had 3 Gale Sayers autos. Next would be Emmitt Smith 2, and then like Munoz 2. I think I brought a couple to some shows. We've hit 2 Terry Bradshaws. The ones that are the least frequent are the Jerry Rices, supposedly. I'd like to see a Barry Sanders. He's usually in there pretty frequently. So I'm going to open half the packs here, and then we'll go through them real quick. Just stack them up, and we'll do it for the next half. Five to 6 autos, base, parallels, inserts. Hopefully some sweet stuff. We don't do a lot of contenders around here, but figured we try it out. Gale Sayers, first auto, nice, nice. Definitely not complaining. I'm going to do a little checklist of my own just to see everything we've hit so far. So I'm going to keep track of that, see which ones are hitting the most. 2 more packs and we'll see what's in the first half, and then we'll do the second half. Okie dokie. Just go right through this, won't hang too long unless there's something cool. Lamar Miller, we got something backwards, and it is Miles Jack at a 99 for the Jaguars autograph. Championship ticket for the Jags. Nice variation auto to start us off. Jaguars, William Evans. There you go, William. Second break, second hit. 12 out of 99. Miles Jack. Okay, we'll get our base in the back. First hit right away there. Tyrod. Lots of vets and stuff. Marcus Mariota insert. You got the dummy kind of cards here. Kid Reporter stuff. Got a dual AJ Green, Andy Dalton at a 199 for the Bengals. Bengals parallel card. Set him aside. Get our dummy crap out of here. And looks like we got our next auto potentially. Next one is for the Packers. Trevor Davis, this one's on card. Rookie ticket. Packers, Brendan Lopez. Winning the Packers on a mini spot. Nice on card auto there for you. No numbering, but nice on carder. Set the base aside. Kid Reporter stuff. Keep it going. What's up, Roger? Roger's in. Zach Ertz. Base. Ooh. Looks like we might have another auto already. We're hitting them quick here. Bills. Kevon Seymour out of 99. 36 out of 30. Yeah, 36. 36 out of 99 for the Bills. Bo Vance. Bo's grabbing this variation auto. Kevon Seymour. Hit 3 autos already. And we'll see what else we can hit. Everything's all jumbled around backwards now. We saw these ones already. Base. Slow down if I see any numbered or nice rookie cards or anything. These Kid Reporter things. Okay, next half of this stack. Order. Base. Potentially next hit is for the Cowboys. Not the big Cowboys one we want, but it's a Cowboys auto. Darius Jackson. Rookie autograph, not numbered. Going to William Clapp. Won the Cowboys in the random. Darius Jackson autograph. So we've hit 4 autos already. Saw all that base. else we can grab in here? Edelman. Ooh. Looks like we might have the last hit 250 points. And that'll be a random amongst the hit lists. Or no, actually, this is it counts as a hit, so we'll randomize this amongst everyone in the break. Hit lists get their prizes, so everyone will have a chance at the 250. We'll set him aside. Yeah, let me do that right after the hit recap. Their base, all that. Kid Reporter, Gridiron, Steve Smith Sr. More base, Boringer and Listenby, Vikings and Bills. Rookies. Oh, what's this? Sometimes these are... No, okay. Sometimes there's a code for the digital autographs. Gotta make sure I don't miss those. I haven't seen any. Digital autographs people buy. Corey Coleman, Rookie of the Year insert. Oh, there it is right there. What's this? It's a sweet one for the Eagles. C. Wentz. Carson Wentz digital autograph. Nice. It's a cool hit, I guess. People will pay money for it, so. Or if you collect the digital autos, then it's going to your collection. But Eagles hitting that digital auto. Nice. Kind of funny. Saw that. Rookie of the Year for Corey Coleman. Insert. DeAndre, Cooks, Odell, Brandon Marshall. Okay, so the rest of the cards here, I think we've potentially hit everything so far. We'll see if we can maybe get a bonus hit or something. Maybe some more numbered cards or insert. Wentz digital autograph. Someone check out on eBay and see how much those are going for. I don't really never pay attention to those values, but I'm sure the rookie autographs from this, top rookie autograph from Wentz from that goes for something. Pretty much every hit in that first half there. Hopefully there'll be something else in here. Maybe a couple Dak or Zeke rookies at least. Haven't seen any top rookies yet. I've seen like 1 or 2 rookie cards. Kind of weird. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Best of luck, guys, gals. A-Rob. Base cards. Legendary insert. Someone I can't tell. Fred Dryer. Panini instant. Garbage. Kid Reporter. More base. Gronk. Rookie of the Year. Laquan Treadwell. Insert. Vikings. Matt Jones. White. Bell. Funchess. Looks like we got another auto. For the Titans. Kevin Byard. Titans. Adam Lackey. Kevin Byard. Rookie autograph. No number. Going to Adam. Where's our Derrick Henry auto? Okay, let's keep it going. Kid Reporter. More base. Diggs. Bortles. McCoy. Larry. Amari. Kid Reporter. Jeremy Hill. Cam Newton. DeMarco Murray. Vontae Parker. Goff and Wentz. Dual rookie. Randomizer. Got a couple of promo things. Matthews. Thomas. Baldwin. Fitzpatrick. Gabbert. More promos. Luck. Martin. Brown. Benjamin. Dez. Promo. Sammy and Reed. No numbers or anything special on any of those. Just base. Not a lot of rookies. Okay, the last little stack of cards here. Probably, I'm sure we've hit everything. Max Stafford, Promo, Ryan, TJ, Brady, Quinn, Russell Wilson, insert MVP Contenders. No number or anything. Promos, Von Miller, Richard Sherman, AJ Green, Delaney Walker, Michael Thomas rookie, Mike Evans, Matthews, Hyde, Flacco, dual Dez and Romo, not numbered on this one, dual Cowboys card, Palmer, Macklin, Langford, Manning, and Matt Forte. Nothing super mind-blowing there in Contenders. Seems like the bigger hits are pretty few and far between in there, but when you get a nice one, they're pretty money. You just gotta do like tons of cases of them, I guess, but that's pretty good. We got some numbered and some on-card ones. So we'll do another anniversary pack before we do our Immaculate here. Yeah, there's your Thomas. Demaryius Thomas. Oh, Michael Thomas. Yeah. So one more anniversary pack, and then we'll do the Immaculate. 5 hits in there. So one more auto here. Best of luck, everyone. See what we can grab. Dwight Clark. It's our second one of him now. For the Niners. Who had Niners? Wesley Lackey. Dwight Clark. See if this one's numbered. Nope, not numbered. We've hit almost a number word almost every time. Seems like, even if we've only done a few. Guess we'll see with our next one. Dwight Clark going to Wesley. Second Dwight Clark auto out of our 60th anniversary pack. So we'll save that bad boy for last. Hopefully it has a super banger hit in it. Meanwhile, we'll do our collegiate. Who was in the first pack? Gale Sayers. Gale Sayers in the first pack, Roger. Yep. Thanks, Dan. So 5 hits in here. Plus 1 base card. Base parallel. I've seen a couple base card Falcons, but yeah, no Falcons hit yet. Ken. Maybe we'll get a Matty Ice auto or something in this Immaculate. Who knows? Who knows? Empty box. Yeah, team list floating all over the place. Stay there, boy. Okay. Get these opened up. Best of luck, everyone. Whoa! Smack my microphone there. Squished in. Alright. I just don't want to reveal everything. I don't even want to see what's there. I don't even want to see. I like to be surprised as well. We got one of those big, thick boys in there. One of the cleats, maybe. Big thickie. Best of luck, everyone. Just cover every hit here every time we pull, so I don't see or you don't see too early. Matt Jones for the Redskins at a 99 parallel card. Gators. Bo Duke. Bo Duke. Here comes a bow. Yes, here I am. Nice. Oh, you guys make me laugh. Okay, first hit of our Immaculate. We get a Palmer every damn time. People gotta just claim Cardinals, it seems like, because there's been a Palmer almost every one of these boxes. Out of 25, Carson Palmer, it's going to be game used. 11 out of 25 for the Cardinals. Seriously, every single one we've done, I feel like. Vernon Aldridge has the Cardinals, 11 out of 25. I could, CJ, I'll figure out how much it costs to ship them, and I'll like give you all of mine. You can, if you just cover shipping, you can have them. I have like 5 or 6. I have like 6. Yeah, I think I have like 6 of those Immaculate boxes. So Carson Palmer, first hit. He's in every single box of Immaculate, it seems like. Let's see what our big, it's our cleat or what our big fatty is here. Jacoby Brissett helmet patch. Got some scratches on it, on the helmet. Jacoby Brissett for the Patriots. Team bag here. 1 second. Oh, here it is. Patriots is William, I believe. William Clapp. Yep. William Clapp's grabbing that Jacoby. Let me just put this in a team bag so he stays nice and clean and protected while we're breaking. Fatty helmet patch, Jacoby Brissett out of 49. Yeah, I'll load those up into a box for you, CJ, and see how much it costs to ship. Probably around $10, I'd imagine, something like that. I don't really ship a lot of big stuff, but probably not too bad. Okay, next card to see what we got. Got a triple here. Jordan Payton, Brent Hundley, and Paul Perkins. Brett Hundley, Packers, Paul Perkins, Giants, and Jordan Payton. I can't exactly remember if someone wants to send that card to Mexico. Yeah. If anyone who knows who Jordan Payton's with, I can't remember. It's not Jordan Howard, so it's not Bears. This one's at a 99, a triple. I'd imagine this one's going to be a randomizer. At a 99. Jordan Payton's the guy I'm wondering about, if anyone wants to lend me some knowledge on that. And we'll figure that out at the end, who gets it. Okay, next hit. Got a black gold card. They occasionally have some inserted cards from other sets. There's another guy I might have to figure out. Kelvin Taylor out of 99 autograph on card. Bulls. Bulls or Bulls. Kelvin Taylor autograph out of 99 from Black Gold. I think it's 2016 Black Gold. Yeah, can't see. Yeah, 2016. Sometimes I've seen a couple. We had a National Treasures Collegiate out of 2015 in our last box. Kind of weird. We got 3 cards left here. 3 more hits. Let's see what we can grab. And of course we got our last 60th pack. Next hit. Oh, there's Jordan Howard. I was just talking about him. Another one for the Bears. There you go, Nicole. 2 nice hits for you, Nicole. 70 out of 99 Jordan Howard single color patch. Peyton is Browns. Taylor, Seahawks. Who's Taylor? Oh. Jordan Howard. Player worn, not game worn. Yeah, these are usually not game worn ones. The vet ones usually are game worn. Nice Jordan Howard at a 99. Where's my goddamn Raider? Nice hit for you, Nicole. Congrats on that. Okay, next card. See who we have. We got another. We've had one of these before as well. Another Bills card for Bo. Sammy Watkins 3-color patch auto. Nice. Clemson and the Bills. Oh, Kelvin Taylor. Oh, yeah. Thanks, Ken. I was like, Taylor? Who the hell are you talking about? Appreciate that. So this is Kelvin Taylor, Seahawks. Someone was trying to trade. Brendan is going to be getting that Kelvin Taylor, and then Jordan Payton Browns will be in that random. There you go, Bo. Another nice hit for Bo. Bo gobbling some hits up. So down to our last card. Best of luck, everyone. See who we have. Dan is not going to be happy. Ooh, nice. 2 out of 25. Wentz. Sick. Bison patch auto. On card, rookie patch auto. Please, I need love. Who had Eagles again? I think Brendan did, yeah. Brendan wanted Raiders. Oh, Danny boy. Boom. Nice hit, Brendan. Dan, you should have chomped at the bit of that trade, I guess. You never know. If you had accepted it, there would have been a 1-on-1 Bo. Oh no, there's. Oh yeah, Raiders. Brendan Lopez has the Eagles, Josh. This is his hit. Very sick hit there. Nice. So that's our Immaculate Collegiate. Now we just got one pack of top 60th. And we have a couple of randoms to do. We'll randomize the points first. That'll be for everyone. Just set up our randoms here. Then we'll randomize these two. We got a couple base cards that are randomizers. Wentz and Goff. And then we'll randomize the triple. So, okay, so here we go with this 60th. Yeah, sick hit. Congrats to Brendan on that. Very nice. Of course, we'll do a hit recap right a second after we check out our last card. Good luck, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Hitless guys, there's some prizes up for you, and of course, everyone gets into the giveaway. Best of luck. Oh, another Dwight Clark auto. Wow. That's no bueno. This is the first time we kind of didn't really have like a big hit out of this. We've had really good hits out of everything else. Oh, this one's out of 25 though. That's cool. 18 out of 25. Wesley's grabbing 2 Dwight Clark autos. Wow, they can give us a little bit of separation for the different hits here. It's alright. Of course, I'm sure we've all heard that Dwight Clark recently announced that he has ALS, so you never know. His health probably fail rapidly. He's a good guy. Want to keep him around for as long as possible. But, you know, very degenerative disease. Prayers up to him. Dwight Clark, Hall of Famer out of 25. Nice autograph for Wesley. He's getting 2 Dwighties. So we'll run through a little hit recap here. Dwight Clark out of 25 auto from our 60th. Got some points here. That's going to be randomized to everyone. Triple player patch. Jordan Payton, Browns. Brett Hundley, Packers. Paul Perkins, Giants. The big boom of the night. Sicky boom. Dan wish he has it. Big boom going to Brendan. Carson Wentz, 2 out of 25 with a nice Bison logo there. Getting to our other Immaculate hits. Very nice Sammy Watkins multicolored patch out of 99 auto on card. Jordan Howard on card auto patch, single color out of 99. Kelvin Taylor Seahawks. So another one for Brendan. Brendan cleaned up on this break, guys. Out of 99 autograph on Carter. Jacoby Brissett going to William Clapp at 49, big helmet patch. Carson Palmer, see him almost every Immaculate box it seems like, at 25, going to the Cardinals. It's a game-worn one. Another Dwight Clark from our 60th packs. We hope for a little bit of variation, but we'll take it. Wesley will take it. Getting over to our Contenders, Titans, Kevin Byard. And then we have a digital auto. As if the real auto wasn't sweet enough, we got a digital auto for Carson Wentz as well. Dan, you really screwed the pooch on that trade. Just gonna keep rubbing that in for you. Just gotta do it. Busting your balls. Darius Jackson auto for Cowboys. Bills Kevon Seymour out of 99. Packers Trevor Davis on card auto, no numbered. First hit out of the Contenders was the Miles Jack out of 99. Sticker auto, not on card. Wish it was on card. And then the very first hit of the break, nice, another Bears one, Gale Sayers. Nicole Brendan cleaned up, did well. Bo did well again. So let's do some randoms now. Randomize these. Oh, let's just get that triple player out of there. Gosh. And the points as well. So do points first. And then the two base rookie cards. Okay, 1 second as I set this up, guys. Just bear with me. Do. Listen to me hum if you like. Okay, a couple random windows so we can do dice rolls and lists. So let's get everyone in the break first. Hold on, let me just go over to the group. Everyone in the break, and we won't count Eagles and Cowboys as an entry into this because they weren't officially purchased. So just the 30 spot list we'll use for the points, 250 points. Let me grab that here. I'll put the screen cap up in just 1 second, guys. What's up first? See that? Make it bigger. Okay, there's our 30 spot list. This is for the 250 points, guys. Eagles and boys spots are not included in this, so the guys who won that don't get an extra chance at this. They're just getting the normal chance of the teams they picked or the random spot they picked. So everyone's got a chance at these 250 points. Do a dice roll to see how many times you randomize this. Got to be 4 over. 9 times. The top spot's going to win 250. Best of luck, guys. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Going 9 times for 250 points. Best of luck, guys. There it is, Wesley. Wesley's grabbing another hit for himself. He's getting some points. 250. Congrats to Wesley. Okay, now let's do these couple base cards here. And first one is Rams and Eagles. Let me just check, make sure these aren't already going to someone directly. Rams, Lorenzo, and Eagles was Brendan, so nope. Rams, Eagles. Do another roll here. 6 times. Top spot gets it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. 6 times. Rams are getting it. That's Lorenzo. Getting the dual rookie. There's dual. Our RC card. Okay, next one is Boringer and Listenby. So Vikings, Bills. Another random. Vikings, Bills. So many times we random. 5 times. Best of luck, guys. Vikings, Bills. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good luck. One more time. Boom. Vikings. That's Adam Rochelle grabbing that one. So, dual RC. Vikings. Okay, next one we got is the triple patch card. And 99. So that one on top. Jordan Payton was on top. So we got Browns. Oops. Browns. Second was Brett Hundley, Packers. And Paul Perkins, Giants. And just see if no one has double of that. If someone has 2 of those, then they get it automatically. Let me just check real quick. Browns, Kevin. Giants, Adam. And Packers, Brendan. So no majority. So another randomizer. So many times we random. 8 times. Best of luck. Here we go. Top spot gets that triple relic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. Going 8 times. Best of luck, guys. Top spot wins it. Triple relic card. Packers. Is that Brendan again? I think so. Who's in this list is super jumbled around. Yes, Brendan is the winner, getting a boatload of cards from this break. Triple relic. Triple relic card. Congrats to Brendan. And that is it. Do the hit list video a little bit later tonight. I'll give that about an hour so people can watch the video and stuff on YouTube and on Facebook. Thank you guys for joining the break. Let me just remove this. Here we go. See if you guys are saying anything else. Thank you guys for joining the break. A couple more sweet hits as always. These Immaculates are good. Pretty good hits all around. Wish we'd had more than just Dwight Clark autos in those 60th, but the Gale was cool. But numbered Dwight is nice. Alright guys, have a great night. Update that prize pool after this. All the prizes are in. I'll just update the entrant list. And we'll have another break sometime this week. It might be the end of the week. We'll see how many boxes I have left after a couple of shows, and then we'll do a break out of that probably. Just a little break to add to the prize pool. Alright guys, have a good night. Take it easy, and thank you for joining once again.